Hello, my name is Krzysztof Posluszny and I am the sales manager in GFE Solutions. And today I would like to introduce you with development of cooperation with FMW.
How did the cooperation between GFE Solutions and FMW begin?
Our cooperation with FMW started very naturally. They were looking for extra capacity to support their projects, and we had the right skills to help them. From the very beginning, our cooperation worked very smoothly. One project led to another, and today we are proud to be trusted partners.
In what area do you currently support FMW?
We are helping FMW by providing them with CAD design for their conveyor systems, including equipment for pulp and paper recycling and chipboard industries. We deliver high quality CAD design and drawings which are fitting perfectly for their engineering workflows.
What makes this cooperation work well for both sides?
It's truly a win-win. FMW gets a flexible and reliable design support which helps them to deliver complex projects on time. And for us it's also very exciting to contribute to such a meaningful systems. The open and positive working relationship makes it even more rewarding.
How do you keep the collaboration running smoothly given that you work across borders?
Good communication is a key. We stayed closely connected with FMW's engineering team through regular calls, shared project tools, and quick feedback loops. Whether it's a new layout or detailed design, we make sure everything runs clearly and efficiently.
What are your future plans for working with FMW?
We see lots of potential to do even more together. As FMW continues growing, we hope to support them on new and even more challenging projects. Our goal is simple: to be reliable and creative design partner they can always count on.